Hello, welcome back to Literacy. It's Miss Haig. We are talking all about the QU, qua, qua, qua sound. And the read aloud is called the Kindness Quilt. Now, quilting is a very cool activity and it takes a lot of time. I wanted to show you this quilt that was made for my daughter when she was really young. And the patterns aren't square, they're kind of like O or ovals. So what we're going to do after we read the Kindness Quilt is we're going to have a little discussion. And quilting is something that people do to represent how they feel or a pattern, or quilts are often given away as a sign of love and a sign of caring, because when you have a beautifully handmade quilt on your bed, it kind of reminds you that somebody took time and care to think of you to make you a quilt. So making a quilt is very hands-on and it takes lots of time. So we're going to see if we can make a quilt today, but we're each going to design a square of a quilt. So facilitators, you could put out different types of cloth, lots of colors of construction paper, and they can design their own square. And then when we finish our quilting, we can put it together and see if we can make a big class quilt. Or if you're doing this at home, maybe you can design a quilt for every member of your family and you can make a quilt together. It's a really great activity. Gets them cutting, pasting, thinking about shapes, and thinking about designs and patterns. All right, have a wonderful time creating your quilt. Bye.